Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's look at 2 more pages of our Hsk1 Chinese character. So now let's look at our first character today. The first one is 中, and we have the word here 中国 means China, 中国, and here's the sentence 我在中国学汉语 means I learned Chinese. 汉语 means Chinese in China. 在中国 means in China. So 我在中国学汉语 means I'd learned Chinese in China. So the next one, 中午 means noon. It was a noun. Okay, let's see. 我今天中午去火车站 means I will go to the train station at noon. Here, 火车站 means the train station. 今天中午 means this noon means today at noon. So 我今天中午去火车站 I will go to the train station at noon today. And the next word 中间 it means the middle of. And here 中奖 you will pronounce at the first tone 中奖 it will use as a verb, so it means win a prize in a lottery. 中奖 Okay, now let's try to write 中 together. 1 2 3 4 So 中 have 4 strokes. Okay, let's move on. The next character is 来 It's a very basic character, so its meaning is come, so you will use as a verb come. 他是昨天来这儿的 Here we see 是什么什么的 right? It's an emphasized structure. It means that it's yesterday that he came here. 昨天 means the yesterday. 来 means come. 这 means here. So 他是昨天来这的 This sentence want to emphasize that it's yesterday, not today that he came here. So use 是什么什么的 this structure here. Next, we also use 来 to indicate some actions. We'll use 来 and plus something. Here, 再来点水果怎么样? Here it means, do you want more fruit? 怎么样? It's just a question word. What do you think? 怎么样? 再来点水果 means take more fruit or want more fruit. 水果 means fruit. Okay, now let's look at how to write 来 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 So 来 have 7 strokes. Okay, next, this character is 上 and it has several meanings. The basic and the original meaning means up or on or upward. Let's see an example. Here, 水果在桌子上 means the fruit is on the desk. 桌子 the desk. So 在什么什么上 means on the desk. 水果 the fruit 水果在桌子上 and next one it can be used as be engaged in work or study or the lectures. Here we have some words for you. The first one 上班 上班 means go to work. Here 上班 and 上学 上学 means be engaged in study. So 上学 means go to school. And next one 上课 上课 it means attend a lecture or the courses. Attend a lecture 上课上课 okay. And the third one we can use it as go up or mount. Something is increasing or board or get on. So let's look at some examples. 上楼 means go upstairs. 楼 上楼 and the next one 上飞机 means board the airplane. 飞机 means the airplane. And the next one 上车means get on the bus. So here 上 means get on. 上车 and next we have a word here 上午 means the morning. Actually when we use 上午 in Chinese it would between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and we will call 中午 when it a class when it really close to 12 a.m. we will call it 中午. So 中午 it's exactly the noon. 中午 we have learned here, right? 中午. So let's write 上 together. 1 2 3 so it just have 3 strokes. Okay, next one is 大 but it have 2 pronunciation, but 大 is the most commonly used one and it also have the pronounced as 大 and I will show you later. So for first one 大 you can use as an adjective. It means that big, large, or huge. So here is an example. 这个苹果很大 means this apple is very big. 很 means very. 苹果 apple. So we have a word here. 巨大 means huge. It's an adjective. And here we will see 大夫. This is the situation that we will call this character. We will pronounce this character as 大夫 means doctor. 1 2 3 so it's also just 3 strokes. Very easy, right? So let's come to our next one. Next one is called 和 and it has a meaning of and. It's just a conjunction. Let's see an example. 爸爸和妈妈都在家. Dad and mom are all at home. 在家 means at home. So here 和 means and. And next one it means with. 他和王先生说话呢 Here it means he is talking with Mr. Wang. So 和 here means with. 说话 means talk or the speak. He is talking with Mr. Wang. And we can divide it into 2 parts, right? So it's a left and right structure. So let's write this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 So it has 8 strokes. 它有8画 and its radical is the mouth radical. So the next is 国. 国. We have seen this character, right? And its meaning is the country, 国. And we have 国家. 国家 means the country, the nation, 国家. And the next 国土. 国土 means the land, the territory, 国土. And the third one is 国民. 国民. It means the national people, 国民. Okay, now let's write this character together. And first, its radical is the mouth radical, but it's the mouth that contains an inside part. So this is the full surrounded structure. So according to the writing logic, we will write it in this way. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8. So it have 8 strokes. Okay, let's move on. Next one is 说. 说. It means speak or talk or say. 说. 你在说什么? What are you talking about? 你在说什么? And next is 说话. 说话 means talk. You can use it as a verb. 说话. And next is a 小说. 小说 it means the novel in Chinese. 小说. 小说. 比如说我爱看小说 means I like reading novel. Okay, now let's try to write this character together. Sorry that I forgot to make this character. I forgot to lighten this character's color here. Sorry for that, but we can write it ourselves. For this character is radical is this radical. 言字旁 is the talk related radical. So that's why it also 说 have the meaning of talk and speak. So let's write this together. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9. So 说 have 9 strokes. Next one is 十. 十. The first word is 时候. 时候 means the moment, the time. It can be used as a noun. Here, 我回家的时候，他在睡觉 means when I came home, means the time that I came home. 他在睡觉 means he is sleeping. 他在睡觉。睡觉 means sleep. And next one, 时间. 时间 is a noun. It means the time. So, 我没有时间 or 我没时间. You can alleviate 有 here, but you can also add 有. 我没时间 I have no time. 我没时间. So let's try to write 时 together. And for this character, its radical is 日. It's the sound related. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7. So 十 have 7 strokes. Okay, now last one. Last one is 出. And we have a word here. 出租车. 出租车 means the taxi. 我们坐出租车去火车站. We take the taxi to the train station. Here, 火车站 means the train station. And 出租车 means a taxi, right? So 我们坐出租车去火车站。The next one, 出发 is a verb, means set out or start. Set out or start, 出发。So let's write this character together. It's a single character, so we cannot divide it. But we can write it in this way. 1 2 3 4 5. So you only have 5 strokes. And the next one is 会 And the first meaning is can't or be capable of, can't. 我会开车 means I can drive. 开车 means drive. And the next meaning is 会 means you have acquired something, you have learned something very well. You will use as after a verb. Here, 我学会了汉语 means I have learned Chinese. I have acquired Chinese. 学会了汉语。There's one 会 also means may. 明天不会下雨。It may not rain tomorrow. 明天 means tomorrow. 不会 means may not. 下雨 means rain. So now let's try to write this character together. Its radical is a 人 here. Its radical is here. So we can divide it into two parts. It's a top and bottom structure. So let's try to write it together. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have 6 strokes. And next one is 你 It's very simple. It just means you. So 你认识这个人吗？ Do you know this guy? 认识 means know. 这个人 means this guy, this man. 你好 means hello. And 你们 means you and your friends. 你们 Okay, now let's try to write 你 together. And its radical is a 单人旁. It's the man human related or person related. Just in this way, we call it 单人旁. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 你 have 7 strokes. And the last one is 对 Its meaning is right or correct. It's an adjective. 对 So 你说的对 means what you said is correct. 你说的 what you said 对 means correct, right. And we also use it as a measure word. Means a pair of. 一对 means a pair of. 一对情侣 means couple. So 一对情侣 means a pair of couple. And this is the next sentence is very commonly used. 对不起 means I'm sorry. If someone 甲 thought 对不起 and then 乙 will respond 没关系 means it doesn't matter. 1 2 3 4 5. So 对 only have 5 strokes. Okay, that's all of today's Chinese characters for you. I hope that you can learn these 12 characters very well and try to practice more. So, see you next video.